New Year's resolution. Everybody has one, but not a lot of people actually see it through. Now, one of mine was to get a Neoxa masternode, and things just got a hell of a lot simpler. Let me explain. So many of you have probably already seen this site. If you haven't, this is unMineable.com, and huge shout out to Ren over at unMineable. He is fantastic. I actually emailed him 2 days ago and asked them if they could get Neoxa on this platform, and literally this morning he sent me an email and said, we've just added it, we're going to announce it shortly. And at this time of recording, there is still no announcement saying that Neoxa is available on unMineable, which is amazing. I actually even checked out their Twitter or their X feed, and there is nothing. The last thing was Dynex Solve and Jupiter, right? So they still haven't even actually announced that this is on their site, and it's fantastic because I'm just going to reap the rewards for now until the place gets flooded, right? But either way, Kapow is the algorithm that Neoxa is actually based on, and that algorithm is super energy intensive. And you guys know my electric rate, or if you don't, it's like 28 cents. It's absolutely absurd. It is hard to mine anything that is that energy intensive. So when you go to unMineable, you can actually mine the lithium algorithm or Dynex Solve algorithm or any of these algorithms that are on here that are actually lower wattage, and then you can just auto convert it right to Neoxa. So let me show you guys what I'm doing right now, and we'll get to that. So you can see these are my ETC miners. I have Jazz miners, my X4Q, my X16Q, my X41U, and I actually have an iPolo on here as well. I have a script miner, which is my Antminer L7. I have my Bitcoin miner, which is an S19, and I have 8 Kaspa KS0 Pros on this unMineable getting paid out in Neoxa. As you can see, my amount is just going up by the second. I have 1,851. I just wanted to refresh to make sure it was legit. But yes, it's actually going up super fast. I've only had this on for about 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken. So almost 2,000 Neoxa in about 2 hours, which is unreal. Granted, I do have a bunch of hash rate on here, but again, I'm trying to get another 500,000 to get my master node. So if you guys haven't seen the video that I put out about iNodez, go check it out. I'll leave a link above. So in my opinion, iNodez is a fantastic site that basically pools your coins together with other people to create nodes so you can all earn together, right? Yes, they take a percentage. Yes, you have to trust them to hold your coins for this to happen, but at the end of the day, if I didn't trust them to hold my coins, I would make nothing with these, and it would just be sitting in my core wallet doing, again, nothing, not earning a thing, right? So let's look at my stats here. You can see iNodez, I have 507,611 tokens, right? So that is how much Neoxa I have staked inside iNodez. I haven't realized any gains or profits, but you can see I'm estimated to earn 555 Neoxa per day, which my total rewards, it says, are $184.66. But again, this is all on their platform. None of it has been in my wallet at all as of yet, right? It is all just being recompounded, restaked into this, and hopefully I could take it out. It'll be worth more someday, but I guess we'll have to see. So once I get to that $1 million mark, or not dollar, geez, dollar, I wish, 1 million Neoxa mark, I'm gonna withdraw this. Now you have to put in a pull to get all of these coins out. Like, I think they do it once a month, so you got to actually submit that you want to withdraw your tokens, and then they will transfer it all into your wallet by the end of the month. So I, again, am getting $1.62 a day. It's like, why the hell wouldn't I do this? I don't care about their fee because, again, I would be making 0, which means nothing if I had this in my core wallet. So the 9.85% doesn't really make a difference to me. It is what it is. They got to make their money too. I totally get it. Now, again, I'm going to show you guys how to actually mine to unMineable for Neoxa if you guys don't already know how to do this. So this is one of my Ice River KS0 Pros. I'll go to the mining settings. You can see I have Stratum kheavyhash.unmineable.com:4445. Now I'm going to show you guys the unMineable website in just a second, but right here I want to show you I am actually mining directly to my node address, which is the onboarding address for my iNodez. Okay, so super simple. Again, I got the Neox at the beginning with a colon, the address, then KS0 Pro #CCXD, which is my referral code. So if you want to use it, feel free. If you don't want to, no big deal. Either way, Jazz Miner right here, you can see this is an ETC hash algorithm. It is not K heavy hash, so you have to put it in differently. etchash.unmineable.com:3333. Again, the user is the same, Neoxa, the address. Then I just label it with a # and my referral code. That is how you do the ETC miners. And then actually, let's show you. So the S19 will be a bit different. I don't know if I can actually show this. I have these two hosted at Terra Hosting, and this is my dashboard, but I don't know how to use it. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have no idea. I did end up editing it, and I don't know how the hell I even edited it. But nonetheless, let me just show you through the unMineable site. I think it's probably an easier option to go through. So if you click start right here, once you click on Neoxa, if you're at the home page, right, just show you quick, click on Neoxa, brings you here. Okay, you can choose the algorithms that you want to hash right through here. If you guys haven't seen my walkthrough video on unMineable, please go check it out. I'll leave a link above to this as well. But you choose the algo you want, right? So let me just scroll across, right? So Bitcoin miners are SHA-256. So people that don't know, click on SHA-256 and it tells you exactly where to mine to, okay? SHA-256.unmineable.com, and then I use :3333. That seems to work the best for me. So you put a colon after the .com, 3333, just like my Jazz miner. The only thing that's different in this one is right here, okay? ETC hash. That's what I'm using for the Jazz miner because it's an ETC miner, not a SHA-256 miner. Now, looking at like the script miner, right? This is my L7. L7s are script miners, so you do script.unmineable.com :3333. Same thing, pretty simple, right? And they actually give you a full lockdown. A worker name's required, right? You got to do Neox your address your worker name, and then if you want to use a referral code, you just put #referral. It actually shows right here on the screen. And lastly, just before I forget, right here, K heavy hash is the different one, right? So the KS0 pros are K heavy hash, as I've already shown. You can see user interface right here, kheavyhash.unmineable.com :4445. Now you can see it says KS0, KS1 and 2, KS3 and KS3L. So they have them labeled separately. I don't know why, but nonetheless, that's how you guys have to do it. So don't just use 3333. It's probably not going to work. It's only really for the GPUs if you're going to be GPU mining K heavy hash, but please don't do that. I highly do not recommend it. It is very unprofitable. Mine Carlson hash or something along those lines if you're planning to do so. But again, just take note of the actual port number because that was my first downfall when I was trying to get this KS0 Pro on there. And shout out to my man Crypto KJ because he actually pointed it out and I didn't even realize it was like that. So anyways, guys, hopefully this helps. So that's going to do it. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. As most of you know, Neoxa is a GPU only coin. You cannot put ASICs onto it. So this being a easy out for me, not having to mine what's most profitable and swap it on an exchange myself, I can actually just do it directly through unMineable. It makes my life super simple. And now this isn't a paid advertisement and I'm not trying to shill anything. This is just personally what I'm choosing to do and what I enjoy to do because it makes my life, again, much simpler. So again, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Hit that like button if you didn't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.